Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show a demo video for another machine learning algorithms with the heart disease data set and also XAI representation also we are going to make in this code. Already with the same data set we have done with the different algorithms like random forest, support vector vision, decision tree, naive bayes, etc. In this work we are going to work with logistic regression, and previously we have concluded that random forest and decision tree is providing a better accuracy of 100%. In this work we are going to check the accuracy of logistic regression and also going to display the value of XAI representation graph also, and then we are going to conclude that by using the algorithms which we have made, which algorithm is providing the better results. So for that, initially we are going to import the libraries like OS, warnings, NumPy and pandas, and then reading our data, which is heart disease data set. You can see this data is having nearly these features, and in that everything or integer and float value, and finally the target variable will be used as the y variable and all others will be used as the x variables, and then we are getting the info of the data set whether it is an integer or float. Mostly it is integer and float only, and also we are checking for null values. There is no any null value, so we are moving to declare the x value and also the y value. In the x value, as I said, we are dropping the target variable and choosing every others as x, and the y value we are choosing as the target variable, and then we are using the train test split function to declare the other variables like x train, x test, y train and y test, and here we are declaring the test size as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. And since I said we are also going to make the XAI graph representation, we are also importing the line library and also a variable for explainer to display this graph. And then also we are going to display the performance metrics parameters. For that we are declaring the libraries such as accuracy score, classification report and also confusion matrix. So already we have done with random forest, which is getting an accuracy of 100%, and then we have worked with the support vector mission, which is getting an accuracy of 75%. So as of now random forest is showing better results, and then we are going to see naive bayes, which is showing an accuracy of 85. So now the order is random forest, naive bayes and support vector mission, and then we are going to see KNN. It is showing an accuracy of 72. So it's now the order is random forest, naive bayes, support vector mission and KNN, and then we have worked with uh, decision tree. It is also showing an accuracy of 100. Now the order is random forest, decision tree, naive bayes, support vector vision and then KNN. So now we are going to make a decision work with logistic regression. For that we are importing the library for logistic regression and then calling its function. By using it we are training our variable by using the fit function, and testing it followed by testing we are using the predict function and then declaring the accuracy score. The confusion matrix also we are declaring. So this is the confusion matrix of the logistic regression method, and then we can see the classification report is 86, which is better than naive bayes, which is showing only 85. So now the out point will be like random forest, then with um, decision tree, then this logistic regression, then naive bayes and then support vector mission, and after that KNN. Then I said that with logistic regression we are also going to make this XAI representation. So here they have given for 10 features. So in the output also we will display nearly 10 features. Previously we have worked with 6, 5. So mostly we will get nearly 6 or 5 based on the features we have given. Since we have given here 10, we will get nearly 10 features and values representation of the XAI over here. And also we will get the values like intercept prediction also. And then we have given the list here. Since we are calling 10 features, here also we will get a list of 10 features. So this is the code for XAI representation with different machine learning algorithms, and with that we have concluded that random forest and decision tree is providing better results. So in the next video we will just see with some other demo video. So if you are interested in knowing got a demo of some other video means, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.